What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here the question is asking, for the following cash flows, calculate the present worth at an interest rate of 10%. Now first we know that here A prime is 12,000 and G is equal to 2,000. G is equal to 2,000. Now first we have to calculate the A total. A total is equal to A prime minus G AG 0.10, because this is 10% interest rate, so in decimal place that is 0.10, and here we have 5 years, so this is 5, and let's go ahead and plug the values. A prime is 12,000 minus G is 2,000, and AG is basically the arithmetic gradient series vector. You have to look it from a table, and if you look at this value, you will get 1.8101, and that is equivalent to 8,379.8. Here the question is asking us to find out the present worth. We need A total to calculate the present worth, that's why we find it out. Present worth is equivalent to A total times PA. PA is series present worth factor, PA, and 0.10 for 5 years, and A total we calculated, that is 8,379.8 multiplied by 3.7908, and that is equivalent to 31,766.15, and that is the present worth. And that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.